Denice, and I am a student at CSUMB and a service learner for the Monterey County Free Libraries. Today we're going to work on ASL. English, Spanish, Spanish, ASL, ASL, French, French, learn, learn, teach, speak, sign language, or student, student, teacher, teacher, work, home, easy, hard, hard, some, most, most, little bit, grow up, grow up, school, high school, college, university. Okay, that's it for today. Hope that helps. And thank you for spending time with me at the Monterey County Free Libraries.